talk to business owners and ask them about their accounts and say, how well are you doing? What are your gross margins, net margins? What's selling well? What isn't selling well? Generally speaking, the answer is, I don't know. When I ask them, when will you find out? They usually say, oh, I'll find out when my accountant prepares my accounts. And I'm there thinking, well, your year end, let's say, finishes in 2 months' time. You're then going to give your paperwork to your accountant 2 or 3 or 4 months later. They're going to take 2 or 3 months to prepare your accounts. So you're going to find out 6, 7, 8 months after your year end how much turnover you generated, how much gross profit you made, how much net profit you made. It's ludicrous. Why would you not track it regularly so you can keep on top of it? So my advice to you is to track your numbers. Worst case, every quarter. Best case, obviously monthly, and then from monthly, even weekly. But if you can't do weekly, track your numbers every single month. So look at your management accounts, look at your turnover, look at your costs, look at your profit. The businesses which are successful, okay, obsess over numbers. They make sure they keep a tight grip on their margins and keep a tight grip on their overheads and look at patterns and correlations. Alongside your management accounts, what's really important is this. Let me give you a very simple analogy. You're driving a car, you've got your rear view mirror, okay? And if you keep looking at the back, you're not going to make any progress going forward. You're going to have an accident. So your accounts pretty much are your rear view mirror, historic view of what's happened in your business. Good for some purposes, not good for most purposes. The front screen is your management accounts. It tells you what's happening and what might happen next month based on what happened this month and this time last year. So month comparison of the same month but with the previous year. And then you've got your sat nav, which shows you your end destination and how you're going to get there. That's your KPIs. So accounts, track them every single month. Alongside that, make sure that you have KPIs. These are your key performance indicators for your sales drivers, for your cost drivers, for your success drivers. Very simply, sales drivers are the things which are going to help you create more sales. So this could be number of leads, number of quotations, proposals, number of meetings, number of clients signed up, number of referrals received. Then you've got your cost drivers. These are any cost you want to track in your business. So this could be costs in terms of your variable cost to buy products if you're selling products, staff costs, marketing costs, debt, bad debt, any of those costs and many others that you want to track. Your success drivers are the key underlying things which are going to help your business become important. So it could be customer feedback, average score, the amount of time that you spend on your team development, the amount of time that you spend with your customers. Again, there's a whole host of things you can track. So those are important KPIs that you should track and measure. And then you've got your key result areas. So what are the things that you should be working on as a business owner which gives you the most value? And remember, a lot of people, when they start with this, get overwhelmed because they want the right KPIs. No such thing as the right KPIs. You decide what the right KPIs are. To start off with, just choose any numbers you want. If you're really stuck, go with sales, gross profit, net profit, and let's say if you've got debt in your business, debt. That's it. Don't track anything else. And as you progress, what you'll find month to month to month, you're then going to become more focused and you'll start thinking about what other numbers can I measure or can we measure in our business to give us good results, better results. And then it's an iterative process. You'll get to the right KPIs very, very quickly. The important thing is for you to make a start. Remember, most people don't do this, and those who do it don't do it frequently enough. So if you want to be successful, you got to look at what most people are doing and do the opposite. So management accounts, KPIs, track them regularly, have a conversation with your team and possibly an external source like a coach, consultant or a mentor who can help and guide you. Look at those numbers. They're going to force you to do things differently and do things better. Hope that helps. Bye.